Local news for Tuesday the 19th of March. Hundreds attended last night's Wairarapa vigil in the Masterton Town Square, where speeches were made by MPs and representatives of various faiths as the community came together to remember victims of the Christchurch tragedy and for a show of solidarity. Further events are planned, including tomorrow night in Martinborough at 7:30pm and Featherston Thursday night at 6:30. Hamish Hammond and Rachel Gardner were named the 2019 Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Chef Farmers of the Year recently, the region's annual awards dinner held at the Copthorne Hotel, Solway Park. As well as that, the Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Dairy Manager of the Year went to Nicholas Verhoek of Masterton. 3 club rugby players have been banned from rugby following a New Zealand Rugby Judicial Committee hearing into anti-doping charges, including a former Wairarapa Bush representative player. And in football, the Wairarapa United women have gone down 4-0 in the opening round of the Kelly Cup football competition, and the men kick off their competition on the 30th with the home game against Wellington Olympic.